Welcome back, Budgie Breeder 1 here. So, I'm just going to give you a rundown of what happened, or what's happening. So, the male is in there. Every time the chick cries, he goes in there and just tries to take over. So, I take him out because the female can't feed him when he's in there. Because he's always trying to put the chicks under him while she's feeding them. And they can't really get fed, so I have to take him out. But I let him visit every hour of the day, of every day. So the chicks, those are the chicks, guys. So there were 5 eggs, but only 2 hatched, and there's 1 egg remaining because the other 2 died in the egg. And it happens. It's a part of breeding buddies, and they're very loud right now, trying to talk over them. So what happened was I called the other one, which is the one on the right. It was about to die because it pipped, and then it stayed in the egg for like 4 days, and that's not normal. So I do have the video. I'm gonna post it later, but yeah, it pipped and then it stayed in the egg for like 4 days, and it was on the verge of dying. So I had to help it, or it's gonna die in the egg too. And it's doing perfectly fine. The female is feeding it when I take the male out, of course. But yeah, that's the chicks. They're doing fine, and the other egg is gonna hatch within 24 hours. So yeah. Over here is my zebra finches. That's the baby, and those are the parents. There's no thing in the bottom because I was just doing this for recording purposes because I was cleaning it out. I cleaned out my cages on Saturday, so yeah. Come on. He or she is tamed, and when they get older, they're gonna get a red beak just like their parents. And if it's a boy, it's gonna have zebra stripe patterns, and if it's a girl, it's just gonna stay the same color, just have a red beak. So yeah, that's them. Down here is the other budgies. That's all of them. That's Sky, that's Ocean, that's Cotton, that's Ernie, that's Rocket, and that's Marceline. And I need a bigger cage. I really do. So I'm gonna end up getting them a bigger cage. I want one that's like double doored and have rolling wheels on the bottom, just so it can be easier to move it around in my room, and so I can vacuum, because they do create some mess without the seed protector thing, and I don't have that. So yeah, she was gonna be helping with Sherbet's babies, but she ended up not wanting to do it for some reason. I think that's how one of the eggs died, because she was incubating one, and then the baby just stopped forming in the inside. So she might be the reason why they stopped forming. So I just took her out, and Cotton is taking care of her own babies now, and she's doing good at that. So yeah, you're caught up now.